All right. Everybody asks me what kinds of knots I use, and I use an improved clinch. Right? That fish would have to have in the corner to grab the meat. And the reason why I do it is I think it has a better break resistance. A lot of it is more on tightening up on the swivel than actually on the line. The only different variation I use is, I'll show you with braid. Mono, if I was tying monofilament, I would go through one time, make 6 wraps. You can do a little more, but I wouldn't do anything less. Go through the bottom loop, come back on the top, cinch it down, slide it down, and it's tight. Now there's only one wrap of the braid over the swivel, right? So the improvement I do when I'm running braid is, now if I'm tying my halibut gear and this is the braid, I run it through once, I come through again, and now I start my improved clinch. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I go through the lower loop, come back and go through the upper loop, cinch it down, slide it down, and it makes a lot stronger knot. Trim off the tail. And you're set to go. Alright, I think we're gonna head home, go have some dinner.
Well, go over and subscribe, like, and comment.
Hey, he's already got that down, folks.